So guys, we have to start from operating profit ratio. I already explained you how to calculate operating profit ratio. That is, what is the percentage of operating profit on net revenue from operation, that is net sales. Now, how do we calculate operating profit? Let's understand that, guys. We can calculate operating profit starting from net profit by adding to it non-operating expenses. And there is only one non-operating expense that you will come across in questions, that is interest on borrowings. Interest on borrowings is non-operating expense. Now, because of this, our net profit decreases, and that is why we added back to the net profit so that we could determine operating profit. Operating profit is actually the profits earned from operating activities of the business. And how do we calculate it? Is we add to net profit this. From net profit, we subtract non-operating incomes. And non-operating incomes are rent, interest, and dividend. These are our non-operating incomes. They do not come from our business operations. They do not come from sale of goods and services. Rather, they are other than sale of goods and services, guys. So rent, interest, and dividend are our non-operating incomes. Since they have increased our net profits, and that is why we are subtracting it from net profit to determine operating profit. We also add non-recurring losses, the losses which do not occur again and again, like loss on sale of fixed assets and investments. See, this is not our business operations to sell fixed assets and investments every year or every month. This happens once in a blue moon. Are you getting my point, guys? And that is why they are non-recurring losses. Since these losses have decreased our net profit, that is why we are adding them back. And we subtract non-recurring gains. The same one, that is profit on sale of fixed assets and investments. So this is how we calculate our operating profits. Have you got this, guys, or not? All? Mansha, Athav, Manya,
Yes, sir.
Mishika.
Yes.
Now, guys, in case you have not understood it well, to make you understand, I am making a trading and profit and loss account. You all know how to make it, guys. Though for companies, the trading and P&L account is not made, rather we make statement of profit and loss in which we do not have trading and P&L separately. Total here is 13 lakh 20,000. Same total I have written on the debit side, but the total of debit side is 9 lakh 45,000. So 1320 minus 945, that is 55, and 320 means 3 lakh 75,000, which is our gross profit. This is taken to P&L account. Do not make this, guys. I'm making it only to make you understand how to calculate operating profit and what operating profits are. Total of credit side is 378, 82, 87, and 88, 3 lakh 88,000. And total of debit side is 195, 225, 243, 247, 253, and 256. That is 1 lakh 32,000, which is our net profit. Right? Guys, please do not do this anything here. Drishti, please. So net profit here is 132, guys. Now we have to calculate operating profit from here, and all these are operating activities. In trading account, we always have operating activities. We do not have any non-operating item here at all. In P&L, however, these are non-operating items. But if we know net profit and we have to determine operating profit, what do? We add these two items to this, because of interest and loss on sale of machinery, what this profit has? This profit has, because of these two items, this profit has, this profit, what happened to this profit? Because of these two items. Huh? Decreased, right? So if we remove these two items because they are not non-operating, this will increase. To increase this, to this net profit, we add these two items, and that is what I have written here, guys. Net profit plus non-operating expense plus non-recurring losses, right? And if these items are not there, then what will happen to our net profit? It will, if these three items are not there. Yeah, because of these three items, our net profits are increasing. So if these three items are removed, why? Because they are non-operating. These three are non-operating incomes, guys. So because of this, our net profit will decrease, and that is why we have decreased these items. That is non-operating incomes we have subtracted and non-operating gains we have subtracted. Am I clear? Have you understood, guys, or not? Those who are online.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Rest all are, guys. These one, the black ones here, and the entire trading account, they all are operating items. This is our main business. We purchase goods, we do expenses on purchase of goods, we sell goods. To sell goods, we also have to meet some expenses, including some losses like bad debts, because we have to sell the goods on credit. So bad debts is also our normal loss. It is operating loss. This is our operating income, commission. Once we stop operating, we will not receive commission. Even though our business stops operating fully, then also we will have this income, rent, interest, and dividend. And that is why these incomes have nothing to do with our business operations. They would be earned even when our business ceases to operate. Have you got me or not? Loss on sale of machinery is not a recurring item. We do not have this loss every year. Interest on loan is non-operating expense. The reason is that the money that we get, whether from as borrowed funds or as owners funds, they have the same use, they have the same utility. मैं अपने घर से पैसा लगाऊं या उधार लेके, पैसे का वही यूज होगा जो दोनों में सेम रहेगा. Are you understanding this, Mishika, Manya, Mansha, Athav, Tanmay, Sarthak?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So interest on loan does not help us in sales, in production, in administration, in distribution. Nowhere it helps us, and that is why it is not an operating item. It is non-operating item. Am I clear? Have you understood what I said, guys? कहीं और हो आज फिर पक्का फेस ऐसे ही बता रहा है कि कहीं और का एक ही मतलब नहीं होता, बहुत सारे मतलब होते हैं.
और
यस तन मैं.
सर, अगर कोई कंपनी अपन ने लोन लिया है बैंक से, वो इंटरेस्ट चार्ज कर रही है, तो वो भी नहीं आएगा क्या?
वो ऑपरेटिंग नहीं है ना. देखिए, आपने लोन जिस चीज के लिए लिया है, अगर वही पैसा आप खुद का लगाते हैं, इन केस यू एम्प्लॉय योर ओन मनी, will there be any difference in the two monies? Will they perform differently if it is your or if it is borrowed one? I'm
नहीं सर।
asking. No, right? Yeah, we have to give interest. That is one thing. But just because you have borrowed, because of that, will you be having more benefit in your business than if you put your own money? No. But you and me both are doing different business. Means uh, individual businesses. But our businesses are absolutely same. The fixed assets are absolutely same. Raw material is absolutely same. We also have the same set of skilled laborers in our business. Will there be any difference in the products that we produce if mine is owned and yours is borrowed money? No, there won't be. And that is why the loan that we take and the interest on the loan that we pay does not help in business anywhere. It helps in only financing the business. It does not help in business operations at all. And that is why it is considered as non-operating expense. Have you understood, guys, all?
अ, सर मतलब मैंने अगर लोन लिया उसके बाद उसी लोन से मैं मशीन खरीद रहा हूँ तो वो लाइक इनडायरेक्टली हेल्प तो कर रहा है ना मुझे वो?
हाँ तो वो तो मैंने मशीन खुद के पैसे से लिया तो भी हेल्प कर रहा है। आपको एक्स्ट्रा क्या हेल्प हो रहा है उससे, ये बताइए मुझे। अगर मैंने अपने पैसे से मशीन परचेज की है और आपने उधारी के पैसे से की है तो आपको कुछ ज्यादा फायदा होने वाला है क्या उस मशीन से?
नहीं।
तो फिर you purchase that machine by borrowing money just because you did not have with you, or you think that borrowing is better than putting your own money. But in your business operations, in production, where you'd be using that machine, will there be any difference if it is your money or if it is borrowed money? No, there won't be any. Am I clear?
यस।
So interest on borrowed funds is a non-operating expense as it does not help the business in any of its business operations. Which are business operations, guys? There are only four, with manufacturing or acquisition. If you are doing manufacturing business, then one of your business operation is manufacturing. If you are into trading business, then you simply acquire goods and sell them. The other is administration. The other one is selling. And the last one is distribution. There are only four business operations. The borrowed funds does not help you in any of these operations at all. Means the expense that you do on borrowed funds, that is interest, does not help you at all. Like if you see here, guys, look at here. This purchase is helping us what? To acquire raw material, fixed assets. Acquire raw material or goods and trade. Wages is helping us in what? To keep the goods in a way so that they become saleable. Freight inward to get the goods in our shop so that we could sell them. I'm talking about expenses, guys. Electricity for what? For illumination in the shop or in the factory or in showroom or in warehouse. Advertisement to let your target customers know about your business. Depreciation for use of fixed assets through which you produce and sell. Bad debts is a loss and it's a normal loss. So these three, electricity, advertisement, depreciation, printing and stationery, traveling, they all commission even that you pay to your agent, they all help you in your business operations. But this does not help you anywhere. I hope you have got me, guys. Note down this much all. These questions are asked in interviews, guys. Post MBA or post CA.
सर कौन?
Why interest is a non-operating expense? Interest on borrowed funds. Or why these three income are non-operating? They are non-operating because even though your business ceases to operate, you still will earn these income. But yeah, commission you will not earn. You are earning commission because you have good sales in your business. No one will offer you commission in case your own business is not working at all. I hope guys you are getting this point. So now with this question to calculate operating profit, if we start from net profit, it would be 1,32,000 plus 6,000 plus 2,000 minus 3, 4 and 5,000. Sorry, 4, 5 and 1,000. I'm taking one more item here that is 3,000. The profit on sale of building 3,000. So now the net profit would be 135. So our operating profit would be 141, 143, 139, 134, 133 and 1,30,000. Am I clear guys or not? The other way to calculate operating profit is starting from gross profit. So from this, we subtract all operating expenses and add all operating incomes. That's it. So what was our gross profit in this question? It was 3,75,000. From this, we'll subtract all operating expenses. And operating expenses in this example are these four: salaries, electricity, advertisement, depreciation. 150, 45, 30 and 18. We also need to subtract one thing that is normal losses, means bad debts. And now we will, amount of bad debts is 4,000. And now we will add only one operating income, that is commission. And commission is 3,000 rupees. So it is 375 minus 150, it is 2,25,000, 225, 180, 150, 132, 128 plus 3, 1,31,000. Okay, I have done some calculation mistake. I will check it out, guys. Let me check our trading and P&L account here. This is correct, 375. Yeah, this is the difference, guys, here. Earlier I took 1,000 more. No, 195, 225, 243, 247, 253, 255. 195, 225, 243, 247, 253 and 255. 255 means 1,36,000. So net profit is 136. 142, 144, 140, 135, 135, 131. Gross profit was 375 only. Yes, now it is correct. Right? So guys, you can note down this entirely. All of you guys, please do note down the figures and then make the trading and P&L account later, guys. This is also important, guys, for one more chapter of section P from your third book, that is cash flow statement. There also we'll talk about operating profit.